Okay, we have a high roof transit rear magnet screen. This is a no-see-em model. We unpacked it out of the bag. I have the magnet strips rolled out and stuck with the hook side on the edge of the loop binding. Now these have a 1-inch magnet on top and then a 2-inch spacer and then 2-inch magnets throughout. So you have to make sure you get the 1-inch matched with the 1-inch on the other side. They will come shipped to you that way, but if you get them mixed up, it won't connect correctly. This side I already have done. I've wrapped it with the 2-inch hook that it comes shipped with that connects the screen. You peel those off, unroll your magnet strips, stick it to there and wrap it with the 2-inch. This side I have on here now. I'm just going to wrap it now with the 2-inch so it stays in place. Wrap it around the side so it sticks to the loop binding on the other side of the screen. Just like that. See here, that sticks there all the way down. Okay, so that's your magnet closure. Now I already have the 3-inch hook installed on the van. It comes with a piece of 6-inch hook, which is larger than you need, which gets installed up top here underneath the gasket, folds down and around the strikers, and this is where you put the slits. Now it's extra wide for the wagons and the passenger vans that need extra room. You trim that back down to the correct size, and I'll show you when it's installed on the van. But that sits here, that piece is used there. There's 2 8-foot pieces of 3-inch hook that go around under the gasket all the way down to the step area on each side. There's at least 6 inches extra on each side when you use this piece. So it can be cut down as well, and this piece could be cut down as well. Just giving you extra to work with. Here's the 2 sweeps that comes with the kit rolled up in the bag, and this is the magnet strips that get stuck to the sweep. These get stuck to the bottom of the screen, and when you install it on there, on the van, this magnet will contact the metal just underneath the step area. We'll put this one on the other side and then we'll go to installing.